Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this chapter, we will learn on the dot product. So what is a dot product? This is a multiplication of vector with vector. So actually, when we want to multiply a vector with another vector, we have two ways to do it. One is dot product and another one is cross product. So for dot product, the symbol is just a dot, okay? So you multiply both of vector u and v. But for cross product, the symbol is like this, all right? So for your information, these are not the same. Even though if you dot two numbers or you cross two numbers, the answer is just a normal multiplication. However, for vectors, these are not the same. Now let us see the definition of dot product. Let's say you have two vectors, u and v. Let's say your u is a1, b1, and your v is a2, b2. So in order to do dot product, we need to multiply the item together and then add them up with multiplying the j part together. So this is your answer, a1 times a2 plus b1 times b2. Now let us see the properties of a dot product. So let's say we have two vectors u and v and we have m and n as scalars. Let's see the first property. U dot v is just the same with v dot u. This is the commutative property. We can see the example here which demonstrate this property. Let's say you are given u minus 5, 1 and v minus 6, 8. And then the question asks you for u dot v. So let's just multiply the I part, negative 5 times negative 6 plus 1 times 8. So the answer is 38. So this is your answer. So let's see now question B. They ask you for v dot u. Let's say you want to do it manually. V dot u is just the I component multiplied together, negative 6 times negative 5. Add them up with 8 times 1. So the answer is 38. So you should realize that the answer is just the same. U dot v is just the same with v dot u. So if you don't want to calculate v dot u, you would just want to take answer 38. You also can do that.